If your Adobe Express app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your Adobe Express app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your Adobe Express app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Adobe Express. Click on the three dots to open the Adobe Express app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your Adobe Express app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Adobe Express app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Adobe Express is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete the Adobe Express app data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Adobe Express app is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Adobe Express and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Adobe Express app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Adobe Express app again. Search for Adobe Express. Click on Adobe Express. Press the Get button to start downloading Adobe Express. Wait for Adobe Express to be downloaded and installed. Now your Adobe Express app should be installed. Now open your Adobe Express app. Select Sign In. Now type in your Adobe Express login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.